students, in this video we are going to study some questions based on equation of plane, and we will be studying a scalar product form of equation of plane. First of all, let's solve this question. Find the perpendicular distance of origin from the plane x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. So equation of plane is given in Cartesian form. Vector is not used here, it is in Cartesian form. But first of all, let's revise what is equation in normal form. So if n bar is normal to the plane and distance of origin from the plane is d, then equation of the plane is r bar dot n cap equal to d. So this is vector form. Now n cap is unit normal and d is distance of origin from the plane. Now whenever we write equation as equation of plane in Cartesian form, these coefficients of x, y and z, those are direction ratios of the normal. So that means if we want to write this equation in vector form, then that equation will be C. Coefficient of x is 1, so 1 into I. And first of all we have to write r bar dot. Now let's write the coefficients. Coefficient of x is 1, so 1 into I. Coefficient of y is minus 3, so it is minus 3 j cap and 4 k cap. And this constant we have to write in the right hand side, equal to 6. See, now compare with this equation. So instead of now n cap, we have n bar here. So to find the distance, what we want is unit vector here. Okay. So to find the unit vector, what we have to do is we have to find out the modulus of the normal and we have to divide both sides by that modulus. So let's find out the modulus. First of all, let's write n bar. N bar is I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. The modulus of n bar is root 1 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. So that is 1 plus 9 plus 16. So 16 plus 10, that is root 26. Now dividing both sides by root 26, we get I minus 3j plus 4k cap divided by root 26. Now this is n cap, okay? 6 by root 26. Now this is in the form r bar dot n cap equal to d, where d is distance of origin from the plane. Therefore, comparing with r bar dot n cap equal to d, distance of origin from the plane equal to 6 by root 26. Okay. So we have studied normal form. Normal form is r bar dot n cap equal to d, where n cap is unit normal and d is distance of origin from the plane. D or P, any letter you can use. The next one is equation of plane in a scalar product form. So what is scalar product form? So in this, a point on the plane is given and a vector perpendicular to plane is given. Vector perpendicular to plane means normal vector is given. So let's consider this plane. Now a point is given. So A is fixed point in the plane, and let's take R as variable point. So it is any point in the plane. Now a normal is given, n bar is given. Okay. So n bar is given. Now n bar is perpendicular to the plane, therefore it is perpendicular to AR bar also, as AR bar lies in the plane. So AR bar dot n bar, if two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. That means r bar minus a bar dot n bar equal to 0. That means r bar dot n bar minus a bar dot n bar equal to 0. That is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. This is known as scalar product form of equation of plane. See, r bar is any arbitrary point in the plane, n bar is normal, a is given point, it is fixed point in the plane, and in the right hand side we have a bar dot n bar. As it is a scalar product, therefore it is known as a scalar product form. Let's solve some questions based on scalar product form. So the given question is, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the point having position vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap and perpendicular to the vector 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 6 k cap. So we have given that the plane is passing through this point. So it is fixed point A. Position vector of the point is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Coefficients are 1, 1, 1. That means the point is 1, 1, 1. And the plane is perpendicular to this vector. That means the vector is normal to the plane. So n bar is 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 6 k cap. Now the scalar product form, vector equation of the plane is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. So we have to just substitute n bar here. We have to write r bar as it is, and we have to find out value of a bar dot n bar. So first let's find out the value. A bar dot n bar. A bar is I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot n bar 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 6 k cap. So this is 1 into 4 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15. Therefore, vector equation of the plane is r bar dot 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 6 k cap equal to 15. Okay. Now to write the Cartesian equation, it's really very simple. Cartesian equation is we have to take r bar as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, as it is arbitrary point. So xi cap plus yj cap plus z. I am just substituting r bar here to write the Cartesian equation. 5j plus 6k cap equal to 15. So the dot product is 4 into x. Next is 5 into y. 6 multiplied by z. So 6z equal to 15 we can write in the left hand side. So that becomes minus 15. So equation of plane is 4x plus 5y plus 6z minus 15 equal to 0. Just we have to remember the forms. R bar dot n bar equal to a bar dot n bar. And when we are going to use this form, so whenever a normal is given and a point on the plane is given, so in that case we have to use this scalar product form. Okay. Next question is, find the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the point 7, 8, 6 and parallel to the plane r bar dot 6i plus 8j plus 7k equal to 0. So here a point on the plane is given. A point on the plane is A786. That point is given. And it is given that the required plane is parallel to this plane whose equation is given. See what happens if two planes are parallel. So consider this plane of table and this plane. So these two planes are parallel to each other. Okay. Now if I take normal to this plane, that normal is perpendicular to this plane and this plane is parallel to this plane. So this normal is perpendicular to this plane also. That means if two planes are parallel, their normals are same. So we can use the same vector as normal of the required plane. So here, as equation of this plane is given, r bar dot 6i plus 8j plus 7k equal to 0. Now we know that this r bar dot, whatever the vector is given, that is normal to the plane. So n bar is 6i plus 8j plus 7k. Now the required plane is parallel to this plane, so it has also the same normal n bar. Okay, so only thing is this constant changes, and that constant we have to find out. So equation, let's write the equation. Equation in vector form is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. So what we have to do is we have to find out value of a bar dot n bar. So a bar dot n bar, a bar is 7i cap plus 8j cap plus 6k cap dot, now n bar is 6i cap plus 8j cap plus 7k cap. So let's find out these values. 7 into 6, next is 8 into 8 plus 6 into 7. So this is 42, 64 and 42 again. So this is 84 plus 64. So that is 148. So vector equation is r bar dot 6i cap plus 8j cap plus 7k cap equal to 148. So this is vector equation. And to write the Cartesian equation, just we have to write r bar as xi plus yj plus zk, and taking the dot product we get 6x plus 8y plus 7zc. Just I am replacing ijk by xyz and write this 148 to the left hand side. So this is minus 148 equal to 0. So it is as simple as that. So this is your today's assignment. The foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to a plane is 1 to 0. Find vector and Cartesian equation of the plane. So plane is given and a perpendicular is drawn from origin to the plane, and this point A is 1 to 0. See here, A lies in the plane, so we have a point in the plane, and this OA is normal to the plane. So OA bar is n bar and a point in the plane is given. So equation is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. So find a bar dot n bar. First write n bar, which is OA bar, then find out the dot product and substitute the value. Okay. In the next question, find Cartesian equation of plane through 2, 3, 5 and parallel to the given plane. Now as given plane is here, equation is given. So normal is 5i minus 3j minus 2k. Point is given. So again find out a bar dot n bar, substitute the value, find the Cartesian equation. Using that, find vector equation. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.